line-to-line fault on the 13.8 kV side, in which phase B and C are involved. The fault current on phase B flows towards the point of the fault network, and we also draw the negative sequence network. Again, we don't have a zero sequence network because we have a line-to-line fault which does not have a ground. Base value of power, which is 30 MVA divided by the base value of the voltage at the faulted end, 13.8 kV, which gives us the base value of current at 1255. Now, after plugging in the value of 1 at angle 120 degrees for the A operator and 1 angle 240 degrees for the A, carry any fault current. Phase B and C current quantities are the faulted phase, and they should be the same magnitude but opposite in direction, which is evident by the GeneralPack.com, making power systems intuitive, open, and free to everyone, everywhere. Consider subscribing and supporting through patreon.com/generalpack. Our corporate sponsor for this topic is Illumiax.com from Seattle, Washington. Contact them for industrial and commercial power system studies.